So our first full month of trading on Liberium Crypto has come to an end. Did we make profit? Were we in a bear market? What kind of results were there for May 2022? But before we continue to the results, what is Liberium Crypto? Liberium Crypto is a crypto trading execution site where users get the benefit and freedom of social trading. Our service offering includes two packages, a crypto trading signals platform, as well as a complete automatic trade execution platform with real traders. The automatic trades are processed with trade tokens and not on a specific time frame, like a monthly subscription. This allows the trades to happen naturally in the market. If the market is flat, you're not wasting time on monthly subscriptions. Now, the main benefit of social trading through Liberium Crypto is the fact that this technology is using API keys to connect to your wallet. And by using API keys means you're in full control of your funds. You're selecting trade and read as options and abilities for Liberium Crypto. The withdraw function is switched off. That means the only thing Liberium Crypto can do in your behalf is trade. Every time one of the real traders puts in a trade and you're following that trader, the trader happens at your side as well. If you don't like the trade, you have the ability to go and close it. If you've seen enough profit on a trade and a trader hasn't taken profit yet, you can go and take profit. If the trade falls too far and you don't like it, you can just go and close the trade. If you don't like the technology and the system of Liberium Crypto, you can just delete the API keys. And yes, your funds will still be in your own exchange. Looking at their traders, they currently have 6 different traders. That's 6 different styles of trading, with ranging averages of just over 3% per trade, all the way up to 9.81% per trade in the last 30 days. We've seen trades close from 73 trades on this one trader, all the way up to 152 trades by the next trader. The market is moving, and the more volatile the markets are, the more trades we'll see happening. The more bullish the market is, the more results trades we'll see. The more bearish the market is, the longer we'll wait for trades, and we might see more open trades. They also have an affiliate site, and the benefit of the affiliated site is you're not getting paid with someone else's funds. You're only getting paid when one of your downlines buy a package and pays for it, and then you'll get commission. They also have a point structure to see how deep or how many levels you'll get commission on, and that's starting on the 30th of June. So make sure, if you want to recommend this program, to get your people in now and have a look at it. But let's get to this month's results. The following results are if you were in every single trade for the month. The results we're giving means you didn't miss out on a single trade due to some kind of reasons. We're looking at Extreme Crypto. He closed 102 trades for the month of May with an average profit of 8.19% per trade, and he currently has 138 trades open. That's 138 trades lying there to give us profit the moment the market goes more bullish and hit the take profits. Looking at your returns on different trade sizes, if you traded with $30, which is the minimum trade size, you would have made $250.61 in the month of May. If you traded with a trade size of $50, you would have made $417.69. If you traded with a $100 trade size, you would have made $835.38. And this is if you were in every single trade for the month of May. Looking at the Extreme Bitcoin, he closed 83 trades for the month of May, with an average of 7.01% per trade. And he has 124 trades lying open, ready to give us profit the moment the market goes more bullish. Looking at the different trade sizes, trading with $30 per trade would have given $174.55 profit. Trading with $50 trade size would have given $290.92 profit. And trading with $100 trade size would have given $581.83 profit. But you gotta remember, Extreme Bitcoin is trading Bitcoin pairs, meaning with the fluctuation of the Bitcoin price, these values of profit might fluctuate up or down. So this is just an indication what the possibility were on these trade sizes. And why am I not giving a percentage for the month? Well, there's one main reason. I'm not giving a set percentage profit for the month due to the fact that everyone's account balance they're trading with will be different. Someone trading with $1,000 will be different to someone trading with $3,000. Someone trading with $10,000 will be different from someone trading with $15,000. So I've used the trade sizes to give you an indication on what the possibilities of profits is. Have a look at Liberium Crypto. It's one of the opportunities out there where your funds is more safe. Yes, you can devalue if the market goes the opposite direction, but then you'll have the crypto. And when the markets recover and goes bullish again, you'll see your profits and you'll get your gains from there. Now May is done. There's a saying, sell in May and walk away. Now we're in June. Are the profits coming soon? Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below. Let me know, what do you think about Liberium Crypto? Do you see an opportunity in it? Are there changes you wanted to make? What's your thoughts? Comments down below. And in the description will be the link. Sign up to Liberium Crypto, have a look through the back office, and test it out. It might be the ideal opportunity. Have a great one, and remember, smash that like and subscribe button. Have a good one.